Do you want to write like a pro, avoid embarrassing typos, and improve your tone all without hiring an editor? Today we're diving into Grammarly, the writing assistant that promises clarity, correctness, and confidence. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are reviewing Grammarly, the AI-powered writing tool that checks grammar, fixes spelling, enhances tone, and even detects plagiarism. We'll cover real user feedback from Trustpilot, explore 3 standout features, highlight who it's best for, suggest some improvements, and wrap it all up with a final verdict. So let's get started. Grammarly boasts a solid 4.1 star rating on Trustpilot based on over 10,000 reviews. Users consistently praise fast and effective grammar catches, including support for UK English fixes with speedy issue resolution, helpful attention from support staff via chat and email, but negative comments include occasional bugs in the desktop app, delayed support, and frustrations with billing, especially when users can't remove it cleanly or experience errors. Now let's discuss the core features of Grammarly one by one. Feature number 1 is Grammarly's most iconic strength, the review suggestion panel. As soon as you begin typing or paste a paragraph into the editor, Grammarly's AI immediately scans your text and surfaces suggestions in a sidebar on the right. These aren't just spell checks, they're deep insights into grammar, tone, punctuation, clarity, and more. Each suggestion is color-coded by category. Red is for correctness, spelling, and grammar. Blue is for clarity, simplifying wordiness. Green for engagement, replacing dull or repetitive language. Purple is for delivery, such as adjusting tone. In this example, it recommends removing filler words like really or clearly, improving awkward phrasing like maybe we need to, and fixing punctuation slips like a missing comma. What makes this so powerful is the ease of use. You can click accept or dismiss instantly and hover to see explanations for why a suggestion was made. So you're not just fixing your writing, you're learning too. Now let's move on to feature number 2. Feature number 2 is Grammarly's powerful generative AI writing assistant, also known as Grammarly Go. This tool goes beyond corrections and actually helps you write from scratch. When you open the Write with Generative AI tab, Grammarly gives you smart suggestions like improve it, to rewrite selected text for clarity or tone, find claims I should cite to enhance credibility in essays or reports, more ideas, which opens up prompts for expanding, summarizing, or changing your message altogether. You can also set your voice, choosing whether your writing should sound formal, confident, friendly, or even assertive. The AI will tailor its output to match your tone, whether you're writing an email, a blog intro, or a social caption. You can highlight any text or give a direct instruction, and Grammarly will generate content on the spot. It's like having a personal writing assistant right beside you, one that understands your intent and tone. Now let's move on to feature number 3, that is setting goals for personalized feedback. So before you start writing or editing, you can set your goals by clicking the goals button at the top of the document. This lets Grammarly tailor its suggestions based on your intent, audience, formality, tone, and even your domain, like academic, business, or casual writing. For example, you can choose audience. Are you writing for experts or general readers? Formality, do you want to sound professional, neutral, or informal? Intent, is your goal to inform, describe, convince, or tell a story? Once you set these, Grammarly's suggestions become much more relevant. It won't just correct your grammar, it will guide your tone and phrasing to match your specific purpose. This is especially useful for switching between writing styles. You might want a bold, confident tone in a job application, but a soft, approachable tone in a customer email. With goals, Grammarly stops being generic and starts becoming a smart assistant that adapts to your voice. Next up, let's talk about who Grammarly is really for. So who benefits most from Grammarly? Students and academics for grammar, help, and plagiarism checks, professionals for tone adjustments in reports, emails, and pitches, freelancers and content creators for precise language and AI-generated writing help, non-native English writers for clarity and rewriting tools that are game changers. As no tool is perfect, just like that, Grammarly also needs some suggested improvements. It has a desktop application that has bugs. Some users report crashes and lag. Context correctness, AI suggestions can be off-target if not double-checked. Pricing can be high. Monthly plans are steeper than competitors, especially with Grammarly Go prompts capped. Offline limitations, as there is no native support when you are off the grid. Also, if you're an affiliate or content creator, Grammarly's affiliate program is popular. You'll find many resources already incentivized in signups. And because it integrates so well with major writing tools, Chrome, Word, Docs, it's incredibly easy to recommend to others. So here's my final verdict. The pros include reliable real-time error correction, strong tone guidance and style features, Built-in plagiarism checks and AI writing help, smooth integrations across platforms. But the cons are desktop app can be buggy, AI isn't flawless, always double check, subscription cost is on the premium side, no offline text support. Overall, Grammarly remains a top-tier writing assistant with exceptional polish and convenience, especially for writers, students, and pros working daily in English. Just be cautious about cost tiers and occasional app hiccups. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and check out the link below to start your free Grammarly trial. Affiliate link is also available. Drop a comment. What kind of writing do you want help with? I'll see you in the next video.